What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, look at her. We got a Husqvarna 128 LD. Wait, yeah, that's LD. Not running. So, I am indoors. Yeah, see there, got an air conditioner blowing on me. Yep. Let's see what we can find out, see if we can get this thing fixed. I'll get you guys set up and tear into it. Alrighty, people! Never had to work on this particular model trimmer before, so. But, first thing I see, it looks like the lack of a filter. So, let me gather up the tools. I'll put you guys on time lapse and we will tear into it. Alrighty then, let's open this thing up, see what she looks like. Don't look too terrible. I'm gonna get a new diaphragm anyway. The rest of it looks pretty dang plain. I don't see. I'll go ahead and put a new primer bulb on it as well, but let me shut you guys off. I'll grab what I need and then come back and put it back together. I got stuck there. I have a new diaphragm and I have a new primer. Let's see if we can get these two separated. Just like that. Just like that. Not bad. Put that on now. There we go. No, it didn't holler. I'm not sure how well you guys can hear me in here, but I apologize. I got the air conditioner going, I got the fan going. see what we look like on this side. What I'm looking at is this screen right here, and I don't see a bunch of trash on it, so not doing too bad. We put a new primer in it. Fuel line still feel good, so should just be able to. I'll check that fuel filter. As long as it's good, I think we can slap this back together and get her going. Like I said, this thing's not real hard, but you can see how it's, kind of, something ain't right with it. I don't know if the tank wasn't venting properly or what, but I think we're good to go on the carburetor. So let's get you guys back. Just like that. Fuel lines feel pretty good. If we can get these damn fuel lines back on. Oh yeah. And of course you guys know what fixes this one's not necessarily going to be what might fix yours, but you never know. I think he said he was able to get it started, but it would not stay running. So, you never know how much effort somebody puts into something unless you're there with them. So, a lot of people just don't have it in to the part with it. If it acts up at all, they want to have somebody else deal with it. We don't have an air filter. You'll have to locate one of those for him. Never surprises me how many times I see where people just pull the air filter out. Screw it, we don't need it. So, we'll back you guys up and see if this thing will start. see what it does. Make sure the primers are working. Oh yeah. Choke on. I wasn't giving it any throttle. Let me try that. Carburetor needs some adjustments. Let me grab my tools. I'll be back. Alrighty. It's got the spline. I don't know if you guys can read that or not, but it says spline on it. I'm going to adjust the low speed first. If we can get that idle going for us. I'll tell you what, let's go the other way. Sometimes you can feel resistance in the recoil when you're trying to start it, which could indicate that you're flooding it, which I think is what's happening here. So I'm going to shut that high speed off, kind of reset it right there. So we'll go 1.5, 1, 1.5, 2. Low speed. Shut it off. 1.5, 1, 1.5. Come on, baby. I think I might have got her flooded. Let me fart with it some more. I'll bring it back. Alright, people, look at here. Yeah. Oh my gosh, right. Oh, I forgot to push the cord, by the way. A little fine tuning here and we'll be done. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is going on? You ain't even trying. Talk about aggravating. Something ain't right. Oh, howdy. Talk about aggravating. Start over on this high speed again. 1/2. 1. 1/2. 2. Good Lord. Alrighty, people. Appreciate y'all joining in. Like and sub. We'll catch you beautiful people on the next one.